Hi, my name is Sarah Curtis, and I will be singing Solvejg's song, written by Edvard Greig.